Hello friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. Today we are going to see how to make carrot kheer for kids. First, boil 1.5 cups of milk and keep it aside. Take 3 medium-sized carrots, or if the carrots are small and thin, then you can take around 4 to 5. Chop them roughly. To this I am going to add some blanched almonds and around 7 to 8 seedless dates. Pour half glass of milk and I am going to pressure cook this for 2 whistles on a medium-high flame. I have taken 7 to 8 strands of saffron. Add 2 tablespoons of hot milk and allow it to soak. For the garnishing, chop some blanched almonds lengthwise. I have soaked them overnight. Grated 1 carrot and kept. Now let's fry this in ghee. Add a tablespoon of ghee to the pan and add this grated carrot to it. Fry them until the raw smell is gone. We'll be adding this on top of the ghee for garnishing. Switch off the flame after 2 whistles, and once the pressure is released, open the cooker, take the carrots out and allow it to cool completely before grinding them. It has come to a room temperature. I am going to add this to the blender and grind them to a smooth paste. To this I am going to add the boiled milk and grind it again for another minute. The carrot kheer is now ready. It's time to add the saffron milk, the fried carrots, and the chopped almonds. Stir them and you can serve it as it is, or you can even refrigerate and serve it cold. Definitely a healthy and a tasty drink for the kids. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to know about the updates.